In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Discord channels not showing up so you can get back to your communities fast. First, open Discord, either through the app or the website. Once you're in, log in with your email and password. Quick reminder, passwords are case sensitive, so type it exactly as you said it. If you've forgotten it, just hit Forgot Password, but hopefully you've got it handy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Discord home screen where all your servers are listed. Now, click on the server where your channels have gone missing. When you're inside, look for the server setting. You'll usually find it by clicking the server name at the top of the channel list. Keep in mind you'll need the right permissions to access this, so if the option isn't there, you may need to contact a server admin. Inside server settings, look for the Show All Channels option. This is the fix. Discord can automatically hide certain channels based on your roles or settings, and toggling this back on brings everything back into view. One click, and your missing channels should reappear instantly. That's really all there is to it. Discord is a great platform, but like anything, it throws the occasional curveball. Now you know how to handle this one. If this helped, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're dealing with other Discord issues, let me know and I'll cover them in a future video. Thanks for watching and happy chatting!